Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account using the official method of 2025. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Here I'm going to open it, and then normally you will see the interface of Facebook app. Normally click on the top right corner, this horizontal bar or your profile icon, and then you will see the exact same interface. Normally scroll down a bit, and here you will get another option, settings and privacy. Normally you have to expand this section first, and here you will get another option, settings. Just choose this option, and then normally choose these first options like personal details, password and security, add preferences, verification, and so on. Just click on it, and here you will get two different options. The first one is personal details and the second one is accounts. So if you find the option to deactivate your account on this personal details section, then normally you have to choose this one. On the other hand, if you can't find them, then you have to choose accounts. So I'm choosing personal details first, and here you can see that the option is available for my this profile, so I'm gonna choose this one. On the other hand, if you can't find this option there, you can find them on this account section. You will see that option here, so I'm gonna go back and clicking on this personal details option, and here I'm gonna choose this account ownership and control, and then I'm gonna choose this deactivation or deletion. And here you have to choose your profile again, and then choose deactivate your account. Click on this continue button, and now you have to provide your password. Just provide the password that you have used before to create your account, and click on this continue button, and then choose this is temporary, I'll be back, or any option from here. I'm choosing this, I have a privacy concern, and clicking on this continue button, and then finally clicking on this continue button to deactivate my account. So clicking again on this deactivate my account. So this is the final process, and that's it. I have successfully deactivated my Facebook account in a minute. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to deactivate your Facebook account. Allah Hafiz.